Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This time, I'm going to show you on how to crop your image in Adobe Illustrator. Before, when I just started learning the Adobe Illustrator, this is one of my struggle because I cannot find the crop tool in the tool selection bar. So, this time I want to share to you the little knowledge I know so you will not struggle, and you will find out also that um, you can crop your image in many ways, many in shapes, different shapes, letters, numbers, and I'm sure that you are going to enjoy and love it. So here we go. Let's proceed. Right here I have this image. This image, I want to crop it in a square. So right here, this is the tool, shape tool. Just right click and grab the rectangle tool and then drag it on the shape you want and on the area of the image you want to crop. Okay, just like that. And then go back to this selection tool, select them both, right click, and make clipping mask. That's it. It's already cropped. Another way. Another way is, okay, I will show you. I want to copy this image again. Like that. Zoom in. And this one, if you don't want to have this square, you can make again. Just right click again and release the clipping mask. When you release the clipping mask, always put in mind to delete the square. If you cannot find here because it's already invisible, just click your Control Y to see the outline. Click the square and then delete. Okay? So next is, for example, I want the circle. When you grab this ellipse tool, you can just make it oblong, or if you are really good, you can make it a perfect square. But the easiest way to make a perfect square is to press the shift bar in your keyboard and then it will give you a perfect circle right away. Okay, then go back to selection tool and then drag it on the area of the image you want to crop. Okay, just like that, and then select them all again, both of them, right click and make clipping mask. Perfect. Another way, I want to copy this again and then release the clipping mask. I want to remove the circle inside. Okay, and let's go back. Okay, another way is you can use your pen tool right here to select only the area of the image you want. For example, I want only this red. I don't know why, but I just want only this red part. Okay, in your image, if you want to crop only the area of the image you desire, then you can use the pen tool. So I'm just showing you how to use the pen tool on cropping your image. For example, okay, let's go click this pen tool. Right here, I will select only the red part because this is only the part I want. Okay, so here we go. Click and click and click and click and done. Okay, go back again to selection tool. Select them both, right click. Here we go. I have my red part. See? Magic happens in Adobe Illustrator, and this is a very exciting way, very creative way on how to crop your image. Another thing, okay, another thing. Just copy this again, bring down, and release the clipping mask. I have again the original image. I want to delete this one. Okay, this one I want to make letter, for example, letter R. Okay, and then I will place it on the area of the image that I want to capture the image. Okay, so in this case you cannot yet make the crop. What you will do, if this one is a letter, you need to make outline. Make sure that your letter is always outlined, so it will take the command to make the image crop. Okay, and then this black, I don't want it because I want to see the background, or I want it to be transparent so I can see which part of the image is inside the letter. Okay, so just go right here and close the fill, just like that. Okay, you can move your letter to the area. Okay, go back again. You can move your letter to the area you want. Okay, part of the sun, part of the star, and part of the bird. Okay, just like that. And then choose them again, select both of them, and then right click, make clipping mask. That's it. See? Very easy way on how to crop your image in any shape, any size, or any form you want. Just bring it to Adobe Illustrator and make the magic, and let the magic happens. Okay, if you still confused, I can make another one in numbers. Okay, I want to release this again and delete the letter inside. Okay, let's say number 8. Why number 8? Because number 8 is like infinity symbol. All right. Fat number 8. Just like that. Okay. Why I make it fat? Because I want to take some part of the bird, some part of the sun, so it still look like a Philippine and Egypt flag collides like that. So this number 8, always remember to make it outline. Okay, now it's outlined. Now you can make the clipping mask. So right now I want to remove the fill so I can see what is inside the number 8. See right here, the star will be not inside the number 8 because it's exactly in the hole. I can grab my number 8. Okay, I want to grab my number 8 and put the star a little bit like that. Now it's fine. So select them both again, right click, and make the clipping mask. See, it's really easy, very fun. For me, it's really fun learning and creating designs. So if you find it's fun, then start learning. Grab your computer, or if you don't have computer, just try to learn when you have later on, then you can start learning right away, or you can start hands-on right away because you already know how to do it, right? So as you can see, this is what we did: square, circle, some part only of the flag that I cropped, letter, you can do like this, number 8, and this is easiest way, very clean, and just one click away. So guys, I hope you enjoy learning, and I hope you learned something this time, and I hope that you find it interesting. And please don't forget to hit like, leave some comment down below if you want to learn something, or um, some specific topic you want to learn in Illustrator or Photoshop or anything. Just comment down below. And please don't forget to subscribe and share it to your friends. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you for supporting my channel. I really appreciate your support, and I will do my best to return the support that you are giving me. Thank you so much once again, and God bless us all. Bye bye.